Intro Watch. On February 24, 2023, Friday, a historic blizzard hit Minnesota, freezing roads, homes, and lives overnight. This storm came out of nowhere. I can't imagine seeing over a foot of snow in hours. Everything changed so fast. Cold winds, deep snow, and no warning. Keep watching. This storm gets worse, but also more inspiring. Roads turned into white walls. Emergency vehicles struggled just to move. It shows how nature can freeze an entire city. Don't miss what's coming. Some moments will leave you speechless. Power going out in that cold must have been scary. No lights, no heat, and dangerous roads. What a nightmare. Things get even more intense. Watch till the end to see how people fight back. Shelters were full, but crews kept working hard. I respect how people risked so much to help others. This story keeps building. Stay with it. You'll be moved by what happens next. I had no idea how fast a low-pressure system could create chaos. Nature's power is no joke when air masses clash. Trust me, what's coming shows both danger and hope. Don't stop now. That rescue story gave me chills. Neighbors walking through snow just to help a stranger. That's real hero stuff. You'll want to see more moments like this. Keep watching, it's worth it. Even when the snow got worse, people helped each other. That's what makes a community strong. Everyone looked out for one another. The ending is powerful. Hang in there. It's something special. As things calm down, we see the damage, but also we see unity.